11 years ago, we were just teenagers wandering around, sneaking out to my parents to go on dates with you. Youngsters that still don't know what will happen to their so-called relationship. Who would have thought that at the age of 15, I met and started a relationship with the man whom I'm going to marry?
Wish you could take me back. I just feel like I keep seeing your face. Now I can't stop wondering if you saw mine. Would you feel the same?
I wanna keep feeling my feelings. If I could see you, then I'd say that it was me. Bringing it back tonight. I remember your hands on me, hold me, touch me. Won't you cast your spell back on me, and bring this feeling back tonight? Won't you bring this feeling back to me?
Erika, tanggapin mo ang halik ni George.
Dear Erica, my future wife, maraming salamat sa pagmamahal, pag-aalaga at tiwala mo sa akin. Napakabilis ng panahon. 11 years ago, hindi ko inakala na makikilala ko na ang taong inilaan sa akin ng Panginoon.
The day it came.
Thank you for listening to my insecurities and securing me with your encouraging and comforting words. Thank you for bringing out the best in me always. I cannot promise you an easy life or that I will not disappoint you. I cannot promise that I will be the perfect wife, but I can promise you that I will choose to love you every day.
George, bukal din ba sa iyo, George? Sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib. Si Erika na iyong makamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay. Opo, Father.
Pinapangako ko na hindi kita iiwan. You are my everything and I can't wait to call you my wife. I love you. Your future husband, George.